Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for attending. Don't Fear, Get a Career. My name is Shelby, and I am a career advisor here at SSU. If you need to schedule any career advising appointments, please use your Lobo Connect or email careercenter@sonoma.edu. I am extremely excited to be introducing Michelle and Ashley from LGC, and they will be giving you a presentation today. Thank you so much for attending.
Thanks, Shelby. So I'm Michelle Katz-Mortimer. I am the Senior Talent Acquisition Specialist here at LGC. I oversee our Petaluma lab and also our Novato lab. And we're excited that you guys are all here. Ashley, do you want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Ashley, talent acquisition partner, as well as working in the Novato and Petaluma location. I have been here about 8 months, and it's been really fun. And we definitely want to bring on really great candidates, and Sonoma State has always proved this really well. So looking forward to getting to learn more about you if you decide to proceed further.
Awesome. Well, here I've attached kind of like a fact sheet about who we are and any questions that you might have about LGC. LGC, we are here in Novato and Petaluma, but we are a global company. We have about 3,800 employees worldwide. We're internationally recognized. We operate out of 17 countries worldwide. So in our Petaluma and our Novato office, we have about 500 employees. It is actually LGC largest site, which is in Petaluma. And so we're excited that, we're local and we have the largest site in LGC. So LGC does a lot of things, right? Our motto is science for a safer world. Our work recently, we've been doing a lot of COVID-19 pandemic work. We were involved in all the aspects of the global 19 pandemic response. We were tapped by the CDC to manufacture PCR systems to enable the reading of the diagnostic tests that were rolled out about 3 years ago. We also just wrapped up the monkeypox testing kits. So when the CDC taps us, we definitely jump on that because we provide the chemistry that goes into all of those testing kits. So we do a lot of the ultra high throughput testing kits that are really needed for vaccines. So of course, what we do is crucial to make, again, science for a safer world and everyone a lot safer. So to provide critical components for those testing kits, manufacturing quality control materials to support those testing kits, and also a lot of the support for the development of vaccines and medicines that treat a lot of diseases. So in Petaluma, we do a lot of research and development, and we also do a lot of this clinical and diagnostic work. So we have a lot of NGS quality control, which really helps with a bunch of, targeting patient care. We're working with our assays and enabling clinicians to provide, a lot more accurate care to the patients. So it really does come into full play of knowing that you're working in a company that really does make a difference to a lot of people that might have cancers or Alzheimer's or some kind of disease that, we're there to treat. So we are on that front end of that. So we have a huge nucleic acid chemistry production team here in Petaluma, and obviously that's going to manufacture a lot of the solutions that are critical for, again, development of those life-changing therapies. Oligonucleotides is a big part of what we do here in Petaluma. It is really the RNA and DNA. And so if a company like AstraZeneca or Genentech or Abbott call us up and they're doing clinical research and they're doing clinical trials on cancer, they would call us and we actually physically make batches of oligonucleotides and ship those out to them. So it's exciting. You get to work with the oligonucleotides, working with the initial synthesis, the purification of those, the formulation of them, and then actually batching them and shipping them out to our customers. So we do a lot here. We do a lot of exciting stuff. We're kind of a one-stop genomic shop is what we like to call it, because all of our customers throughout our whole LGC system can get whatever they need for their genomic, customers that really need that kind of what we do. So to help with their diagnosing, the clinical diagnostics and also the applied pieces to that. So I think that's it. I don't know what else, Ashley. Anything else you can share or think of? I mean, this is a great fact sheet that we have that really kind of explains, what we do.
You were on a roll and everything I thought about bringing up, you decided to say it right after I thought in my head. So, yeah, I concur everything Michelle has said. It's a great round view of what we can do at LGC. I'm impressed by hearing new things constantly. Science has always intrigued me, but I just never went with it as a career. So being able to kind of like be a part of that environment has been really really cool, and to see, like Michelle was saying, all the positive outcomes for, family members and loved ones and things like that. It just makes it all better.
Awesome. And if students were hoping to reach out to you, what would be the best way to contact you, look for jobs, all that good stuff?
Yeah, I mean, the best way is going on our website and applying online. You can also follow it up with a direct email to either Ashley or I saying, hey, I saw you, I'm going to apply online. We route everything through our applicant tracking system. So that's the best way that we see your application. And if there's any questions about positions that are posted, you can reach out to us. We take new grads in our labs, which are usually called our manufacturing techs. And those are actually working the bench in the lab. Again, mostly in our Novato location, but it would be in the initial synthesis phase, formulation, purification phase, and then wrapping that up. So, and we also have shifts that are morning shift, swing shift, night shift, weekend shift. So theoretically, even if you're still a student, you can actually work a 3/12 weekend shift, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and work full time and get full benefits. So there's a lot of options, a lot of flexibility with our scheduling, working in the lab, because we do run 24/7. So yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Sorry. I just wanted to add to that I have a good handful of people reach out to me via LinkedIn. So if you want to look me up, it's Ashley Davies. It'll be changing soon, but I'll still keep my previous maiden name on there. So that would be a great way to reach out as well.
Awesome.
Yes, good point.
Awesome. Thank you so much for attending. Is there anything else you would like to let students know about before I end the recording?
We would just love to talk to the students. I always get a feel for what they're looking for and what we can do, because we want to make sure it's a great fit, not only for us, but for our potential new employee as well. So both Michelle and I love talking. We could talk all day. So we would just love to speak with anyone that wants to reach out. We can provide more context on what it's like to work here, including benefits and things like that. So yeah, if you have any interest at all, just reach out to us and we'd love to talk to you.
Awesome. Thank you both again for presenting about LGC. We appreciate it.
Thank you.